From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for The Debate.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to The Debate. My second debate today is on 118A. For those of you who may not have heard of 118A, viewers, the proposed section 118A by the Kerala government should be debated nationally because this is testament to the hypocrisy of the pseudo-secular left-liberal brigade that claims to espouse the cause of free speech, but when it comes to the crunch are always at the forefront of destroying any cardinal principles of free speech in this country. Ladies and gentlemen, here is why I believe that Section 118A of the Kerala government is a stark and grisly reminder, in fact, if I may say so, an exaggerated form of 66A that had been scrapped by the Supreme Court. This is why we must fight it together now. This is the story of 118A, and then we shall debate.
The Congress hit the streets in the state of Kerala. The BJP knocked the doors of the High Court. The promulgation of ordinance by left government that makes publishing or propagating content that could threaten, insult or harm on social media platforms a punishable offence has triggered a massive debate.
After this law was implemented, I have got reports from top editors of top online channels which are based in Kerala getting threats from allies of CPIM saying that they are going to file a case against them if they don't remove certain content. And now when they saw there was a huge public approach that too cutting across the state, it has gone to a national level. The CM has made a complete U-turn of its earlier stance.
Under pressure, the left government is putting the implementation of the law on hold. They want to push this law in the assembly.
Well, in the morning I had said that it will be reconsidered. And now the Chief Minister of Kerala has issued a statement to the effect that it won't be implemented. And how and what the future procedure would be, that the Kerala government will decide. But the fact is, it's not going to be implemented.
But here's why this law is dangerous. The introduction of Section 118A seems to mirror Section 66A of IT Act that was struck down by the Supreme Court in 2015. While 66A punished those who put out social media posts causing inconvenience, 118A aims to punish those putting out humiliating posts, publications and communications. While 66A punished those who put out grossly offensive and menacing posts, 118A aims to punish those who put threatening and abusing communication. While 66A imprisoned violators for 3 years, 118A has a provision to imprison for up to 5 years.
It's an effort by the CPM government in Kerala to suppress the media, suppress the free expression of ideas, and it is against all democratic norms.
Cheerleaders of the left government are celebrating the fact that this proposed law is on hold. But can freedom of expression be curbed under the garb of crackdown on social media bullying? Let's debate.
We have Kevin Matthew and Nishant Verma and Lal Kumar and Sunit Chopra and Vivek Srivastav. And we have S. Muralidharan, Savio Rodriguez, Anand Ranganathan, Srijit Panikar and Tom Badakan. Wow! Wow, Nishant, wow. Amazing. Kevin Matthew.
Hi Arnab, how
Excellent.
are you doing? Welcome back.
What record levels of hypocrisy. What record levels of hypocrisy.
This is wonderful, अर्नब. आपको 118A से क्यों प्रॉब्लम हो रही है? अरे भाई, ये सिर्फ साइबर लॉ नहीं, मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया पे भी लगना चाहिए. सिर्फ अर्नब गोस्वामी को अकेले क्यों 7 दिन और 8 रातों का पैकेज मिलना चाहिए बिना जीएसटी के, फ्री दिवाली सबको मिलना चाहिए. जो अब्यूज करता है, जो डिफेम करता है, नोइंग दैट इट इज अ फेक इंफॉर्मेशन, सबको तलोजा जाना चाहिए, चाहे वो साइबर लॉ वाले हो, साइबर गैंग हो या फिर मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया हो. बहुत अच्छा है 118A को रिकंसिडर कर रहे हैं, शायद मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया को भी लाएंगे. बहुत अच्छा
आनंद रंगनाथन, बहुत अच्छा है. आनंद,
अरे तिहाड़ जेल पहुंच जाएगी और आपकी बेल करवाएगी. आनंद रंगनाथन, मैं तिहाड़ जेल जाके आपकी बेल कराऊंगा, मैं आपकी बेल करवाऊंगा, क्योंकि आनंद रंगनाथन इतना झूठ बोलते हैं, इतना झूठ बोलते हैं. टेलीविजन पे आके डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन इतना झूठ बोलते हैं कि तिहाड़ जेल में आनंद रंगनाथन होंगे और मुझे इस गाड़ी में जाके आपकी बेल करवानी पड़ेगी.
No, Nishan ji, please don't interrupt now. It's always good to see you and metaphorically thrash you in debates. Please be quiet now.
118A में पैनलिस्ट को भी लाइए, मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया को भी लाइए, साइबर गैंग को भी लाइए. डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन इतना झूठ बोलते हैं, उनको
निशान जी ठीक है, सुन लिया आपको.
भाई बहुत अच्छा है.
मूंछों में आपने नई लुक डाली है, चार्ल्स सोबराज लग रहे हैं. आप रुक जाइए.
2 days.
मैं चार्ल्स सोबराज
2 days.
लेकिन
The night before I was arrested.
आप इतना झूठ बोलते हैं.
A minute, Nishant, I want to say something.
आप लोग डिफेम
I wish to make a statement, please. If Nishant will stop. Nishant, the only similarity between you and Ben Johnson, right, is that you take off before the pistol is shot.
Stop it.
And both of you seem to be on anabolic steroids. Now listen to me. My question is this. The night before I was...
मैं ड्रग दो नहीं करता. ये आप है, ये बेन जॉनसन आप है. मैं नहीं ड्रग दो, मैं ना करता ड्रग दो. इसलिए किसी को भी नोइंगली अगर आप डिफेम करेंगे.
Okay, thank you. आपने आज के लिए, for tonight you have provided enough entertainment. I want to start a serious debate. Come on now, Nishant. You know what? Nishant, stop it now. Nishant, stop it. The issue is this, viewers. My freedom of expression is constitutionally guaranteed.
You have to ask.
I present before you the facts, and viewers, I request the producer to please mute Nishant for a while. I argue tonight
I am not even speaking.
Yes.
that my freedom of expression is constitutionally guaranteed. My freedom of expression, he needs to be off the screen for a while, please. Tom Wadakan is on the debate Yeah, thank you. Tom Wadakan is on the debate. My freedom of expression is constitutionally guaranteed. Section 118A of the Kerala Police Act 2011 says, whoever makes, expresses, publishes or disseminates any kind of mode of communication, any matter, or subject for threatening, abusing, humiliating or defaming a person or class of people will be jailed for 3 years. Question is, who decides what is humiliating? Who decides what is abuse and what is not? In Maharashtra, in the state of Maharashtra, if you question Uddhav Thackeray, it is seen to be humiliating. Who decides what is content which is defamatory in nature? The point is, Vivek, a minute. Let me conclude my point. Let me complete my point, Vivek. Vivek Srivastava, I will complete my point. For God's sake, Vivek the Jinping, listen to me. Is the entire law drawn in vague terms solely to empower the police to pick up whoever they want as long as they have expressed in papers on social media or free speech? You know, if this is the way you pitch 118A, nobody has the right to speak freely in the state of Kerala. Nobody has the right to speak freely in the state of Kerala.
This is a replica of the Mumbai police being worked out by the Kerala police. There's a background to it. Will you tell this gentleman to please quiet? Will you tell this gentleman to be quiet? He has no logic in what he is saying and no connect. Oh, you
harass
can
the
shut
women,
up for all I
and
care.
when we try to make a law that protects
Why are
the
you
women,
screaming?
you shut up.
Please stop barking.
Come on, let Tom make his point, Vivek. Come on now, Tom.
There is a background.
Come on
to
now,
this.
Tom. Tom
There
should
is-
speak. Vivek, please, for God's sake, let Tom make his point. Let's have a fair debate.
This
Tom
man
doesn't
is
have
just...
a point. He doesn't
No,
have
no,
a
you
point.
only, you
Let
can
him
bark
make
all
his
the
point.
night. You can bark till the cows
Oh,
come
yes.
home, my friend.
We
Hear
are
my
liberals.
point. Yeah,
we
you
stand
bark.
for the
You
freedom of
bark.
expression. We
No, no, you
protect the
bark
journalists.
till the cows come home, and that I think will continue till about midnight. So I don't bother about you. Now, let me tell you something. This is a kind of a situation that the Mumbai police wanted. This is basically strengthening the police so that they can take the diktats of the government. This government is in a situation which is surrounded with corruption. It starts with the Binish case, the
We have
Bangalore
to
drug
stop
case,
Kerala from
Bangalore
getting
drug
poisoned
case,
by the communal
Bangalore
forces
drug
of the
case,
RSS and the
Bangalore
BJP.
drug case,
We
5
cannot
crores,
make an
man.
Uttar Pradesh out of
5
Kerala.
crores investment.
केरला को
5
यूपी नहीं
crores
बनाना है।
have been
यूपी की
invested.
तरह
अरे भैया
एक
आप भी
communal
ड्रग
सरकार
डीलर हो
नहीं
क्या?
है।
आप भी ड्रग
That is
डीलर
the
हो क्या?
reason
क्यों
why this
परेशान
law
हो
was
रहे हो?
coming.
Are you a blessed drug dealer?
अरे हम
परेशान
drug
क्यों
dealer
हो
नहीं
रहे हो?
हैं।
5
अरे यार,
करोड़
आप drugs को
इन्वेस्ट
रोक लो
किया
ना।
है।
बॉम्बे
अरे
में
भाईजान,
drugs,
अगर
यूपी
आप
में
ड्रग में डील कर
महाराष्ट्र
रहे
में
हैं
drugs,
तो परेशान
where
क्यों
your
हो रहे हो?
borders-
जब
your
सच्चाई
borders
बोलता
are
है,
not secure.
5
Your
करोड़
borders are not
रिकॉर्ड
secure.
पर है,
सर,
इन्वेस्ट
आपका
हुआ है
narcotics
और
control
जनरल
bureau
सेक्रेटरी
6
का
साल से
बेटा
सो रहा है।
इन्वॉल्व है,
आपका
तो उसके
narcotics
ऊपर
control
आप
bureau
परेशान
6
क्यों हो
साल
रहा?
से सो
डीलर
रहा
है
है।
क्या?
पूरे
आप
देश
डीलर
में
है क्या?
ड्रग्स हैं।
ड्रग डीलर हो, परेशान क्यों
मैं
हो
तो
रहे हो?
डीलर नहीं हूँ सर।
नहीं,
डीलर
सही
आपकी
कहा।
पार्टी के
अगर नहीं है
पेरोल
तो
पे
चुप तो
डीलर
रहिए।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी
चुप
के
तो रहने,
पेरोल पर
चुप
है।
तो रहिए। अरे
सर,
चुप तो
आपकी
रहिए
पार्टी
ना।
के पेरोल
डीलर
सारे।
नहीं है
तभी
तो इतना ब्लड
नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल
प्रेशर
ब्यूरो
क्यों हो रहा
एक्ट
है?
नहीं करता।
जान क्यों
तभी तो
निकल
ड्रग्स
रहा
पूरे
है?
देश
इतना
में फैल रहे हैं,
परेशानी
सर।
क्यों हो
अरे
रहा
मैं
है?
परेशान
पानी
नहीं
पी
हूँ,
लीजिएगा।
सर। आप
पानी
केरला
पानी
में
मांगिए, क्योंकि
communal
ड्रग डीलिंग का मामले में आप
environment
इतना
मत करिए।
परेशान हो
अरे
रहे
मैं
हैं।
बिल्कुल
अच्छा,
ठंडा
उसको
हूँ।
छोड़िए, उसको
मैं ड्रग
छोड़िए।
डीलिंग का कोई
गोल्ड
मामला नहीं है,
स्मगलिंग,
सर।
गोल्ड स्मगलिंग, वहां प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी टू द
ना
चीफ
gold, ना
मिनिस्टर,
drugs।
वो भी जेल
आपके
में
राज्य
था,
में
सोना
border
पकड़ा
से
गया।
ammunition आता है
उसके
जल्दी
बाद
में।
केरला
आपके राज्य में 6
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर,
साल में
केरला
Kevin Matthews on the debate, 2 versus 2.
देश में फैल रहे हैं।
KIFB,
Borders आपके पोरस हैं।
कैग रिपोर्ट है, कैग रिपोर्ट है,
We have
ऑडिट
to
किया
protect
गया है। ऑडिट के बाद परेशान है सरकार, घेरा हुआ है। इन हालातों में मैं पूछ रहा हूं, सरकार परेशान है, आत्मा उनका बहुत परेशान है। दिल्ली से क्लियरेंस लिया।
Kevin.
आप ये चोरी
Kevin.
साहब कह रहे हैं कि भाई देखिए
Savio and
हमने
Kevin are
hold
on the
में रखा।
debate.
लेकिन
Tom
होल्ड में
on the
रखने
front
का
foot
मतलब
tonight.
होल्ड में रखने का
Tom is on the
मतलब
front
ये
foot
है
tonight.
कि वो
slander that need to be done here. Let us debate civil. Let us debate on facts. Let us debate on the merits of the argument. Let us not go into conspiracy theories and what is under due process of the law. That is not today's topic of discussion. And this man.
Yes, I think you should debate on fact, but then you have to take my question. I happen to be the moderator of the debate, not you, Kevin. Kevin, I am the moderator of the debate. Kevin Matthew, listen.
Arnab, please,
You want to debate, you
be a
will.
moderator. So
But
if you are the
you will debate with Savio Rodriguez. You will debate with Savio Rodriguez, but I will moderate the debate. But I will moderate the debate, not you. Now listen, my friend Kevin. My friend Kevin, pull back. My friend Kevin, control yourself. Hold back. My friend Kevin, be quiet for a while. My friend Kevin, hold yourself back. Kevin, 1 minute. Listen to me. Savio, 1 minute, please. Now, Kevin, this is no way. This is no way.
Okay.
This is no way. You be quiet for a while and then I debate, okay? Thank you.
Okay.
I am going to argue from a position of law.
Arnab, this is no way to.
I will express my point of view and then both of you can have a go at each other. But listen to me as I give my point of view. See, in 2020, in the case of Srija Prasad versus State of Kerala, the Kerala High Court said it is the duty of the state to maintain public order. Moreover, as the existent penal law itself, such culprits can be booked for which the state police should be vigilant. Which means the laws already exist. You don't have to bring in 118A to hold a sword against the neck of every citizen who wants to speak freely. Point number 2, and I want to tell you this today. Look what is happening in Maharashtra, right? Hashtags are the reasons for which FIRs are filed. I am being put in jail. In Orissa today, Orissa TV is being attacked by the Orissa government. 5 of their journalists are in jail. In Kerala, we are being told our entire editorial staff of Republic TV has an FIR against it. In Kerala, you want 118A, which means you people always say that the BJP goes against free speech. But the reality in this country is in every non-BJP state government, every non-BJP state government is using excessive and unlawful ways to prevent free speech.
That statement is false.
So I am showing and exposing the hypocrisy of these, of the lobbies.
What is happening?
Now, 1 minute, yaar, 1 minute. Kevin, now, because you're on a back foot, you don't want to let me complete my point. Have you ever heard a time, can you ever stop me from speaking freely? You want to impose 118A on me? You want to take away 191A? You don't like me? But 191A has been given to me by the Constitution of India. 191A is not your gift. 191A cannot be neutralized by 118A. Kevin, now debate and make your point to Savio, and then he'll hit you back. Let's have an open debate. But you cannot undermine 191A of the Constitution.
2 points.
Kevin, make your point politely, and Savio debates.
For new situations. And the whole purpose of a lawmaking body is to make laws. And now, the second purpose of a government is to listen to its citizens. That is what happened in Kerala. The government made a law in light of a situation. And it listened to its public opinion. It listened to its citizens. And it rolled back. And that is, I think, exemplary. And what is not exemplary is somebody
I want to give one point to you.
Asking me to shut up.
One point to you. Now, Kevin, you will debate with Kevin. Kevin, thank you. Kevin, listen now. You let me complete my point, and then Savio will debate with you. But I will make one point. Now, you must let me complete today. First of all, I always say one thing.
I'm all yours.
You may not like me. You may not like the way I speak. You may think I speak too loud, too slow, too fast.
Oh, sir, I like you. I have huge respect for you.
But I have a right to my opinion like you have to yours. 1 point. Second point.
Of course.
No point of view is superior or inferior to the other. Second point is we must respect the Supreme Court, and I will rest my case, Savio, with one example of what the Supreme Court said while holding the infamous 66A of the IT Act unconstitutional. I bring to your attention today Supreme Court of India, Shreya Singhal versus Union of India, 24th March 2015, had said what has been said about Section 66A will apply directly to Section 118D of the Kerala Police Act, as causing annoyance in an indecent manner suffers from the same type of vagueness and overbreadth that led to the invalidity of Section 66A. The citizens of this country, the entire country, Savio, stood up as one against 66A. In my view, 118A is a surreptitious, backdoor way of bringing in 66A, a law that has already been held as bad in law. You can't gag the country. 66A was struck down. If every state government brings its own version of 66A, Savio, I don't think we have any freedom of expression in this country anymore. Savio Rodriguez is on the debate. Savio, with Kevin, have a free debate.
Kevin, okay, the principle of what the Kerala government is trying to do in the speech of the governor was to protect the rights of women and children. But you see where the problem is, Kevin, is that when a law comes into play, such as 118A, which has been struck down, by 66A as well, you are actually giving powers into the hands to curtail freedom of speech. That's the problem, Kevin. If you start gagging media, you start gagging people on social media, you are going to actually curtail freedom of speech. So while the principle is correct, Kevin, the implementation can be misused. And that's why it has to be challenged. The implementations of law. What you see happening in Mumbai,
the implementation is that they rolled it back. The implementation is that they rolled it back. So why are you fighting a war that you've already won? Why are you fighting a war that you've already won?
And power. So we cannot have laws that give the government power to act in a manner that is not
Sir,
judicious in nature.
Sir, I am
That is the
baffled.
problem with the law, Kevin.
Sir, I am baffled.
Today
I am
you are
baffled.
voting.
When you say this today,
Tomorrow,
that
Kevin,
listening to the
if you're in the
citizens
same
and
position,
rolling back an ordinance
if you're
which the
in the
citizen
same
wants,
position,
us
you will be
abuse of power.
victimized by the
That
same
is their
law.
mandate, sir.
You
Sir, today
cannot
it is their
curtail
mandate
freedom
to
of
listen to its
speech.
citizens.
Article 19 protects that right of every citizen of the country. So let's rationalize it.
Sir. Yes,
Let's
sir,
not
and
be
that is why we are
blind
having
to the
a free
truth
debate today in
and the
this-
power of what this law can do if it wants to victimize
Exactly,
somebody.
sir. Let us not be blind to the
That is why
truth.
the Kerala
Let us not be
government
blind to the
is
truth, please.
rethinking
Let
it
us not be
after
blind to the truth.
objections.
That is exactly my point too, sir. Mr. Savio,
you have to
listen.
be blind.
Okay,
You have
my-
to
Let
be
us not be
open
blind to the
misuse
truth.
of it.
The truth
Can
here is
Okay,
the
let
state
me-
government,
Open
the
to
truth
the
here is the
Let
state
me-
government rolled
Such
back.
laws can be misused.
Let me allow me, gentlemen. I think on the panels, Srijit Panikar, Muralitharan have not spoken.
You're not talking about Uttar
And Lal Kumar and Sunit Chopra have also not spoken.
Why
Yes, I see you there. I would like to welcome Srijit Panikar and Muralitharan on one side, on four people on the debate together. I'd like to have Lal Kumar
Why don't you?
and Sunit Chopra on the debate. Nishant, I will bring you in. The problem is that is not with how much you speak. The problem with you is with what you speak. The problem, I have no problem with your form, Nishant.
Yes,
I have a
I'm
problem with your
challenging you with
content.
what you speak.
Now allow me to
The
complete
problem
my
with you
point.
is you're not able to talk about Uttar Pradesh. You're not able to talk about Manipur. Why don't you talk about the Manipur journalist who was put in jail for 133 days and still now in the second FIR is in the jail for 2 months? Why don't you talk about him? It's a BJP state. Why don't you talk about Yogi Adityanath, Uttar Pradesh, who sends journalists in a day?
I'll tell you one thing. I will bring you back to 118A. We want to run away from it.
I challenge you will not talk.
The question tonight is this. The question is this. Okay, we'll have. Okay, 1 minute, Nishant. I'm coming to you. I'll come to you. I'll come to you very well. The question tonight is this: that it has been said, it has been a long-standing grouse of a particular section that Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, the BJP government is an extremely intolerant of criticism. I, on the other hand, would like to argue right now with examples that given the systematic left liberal unelectables debate, the amount of criticism that Narendra Modi or Amit Shah or anyone in the BJP today have faced, where is the equivalent of 118A? On the other hand, I would argue that while the Prime Minister, the Home Minister have been the subject of the most vicious attacks, they have never responded with a 66A. But in the state governments, Uddhav Thackeray, Pinarayi Vijayan, Naveen Patnaik are responding with their own version of intolerance, which I would argue overplays the greatest excesses of the emergency. And therefore, I'd like to have 2 versus 2 on the debate if it is possible, please. So, my question is right now, you people have said that Modi is intolerant of criticism. I, on the other hand, argue that Modi is most tolerant of criticism. I cannot think of any national leader, Muralitharan, apart from the Prime Minister of India and the Home Minister of India, who've been subjected to the systematic attack without facts of a certain group of people, whether it is Shaheen Bagh or any other issue. Why has Modi never had his version of 66A? Tell me why. Why has Narendra Modi never brought in his version of 118A? It embarrasses you when I ask this, Lal Singh?
Narendra Modi likes 66A.
Lal Kumar, you tell me.
Can I speak? Can I speak?
Modi is
First of all, Arnab, let me tell you something. You called me for an English debate.
Okay, give me, no, 1 second.
Hello? You called me for an English debate and most of the people are talking in Hindi.
Yes, Lal Kumar, go on.
So I'm so sad to listen to all those things which I could not understand. I could not comprehend anything. So I'm
speaking to you in English. Most of the debate is in English and I'm willing to translate anything. Please continue. Give your point of view. I am asking you, Lal, how is 118A any different from
Let me talk.
66A?
Let me talk.
I will.
The
Relax.
thing is, I'll tell you.
How is 118A any different from 66A?
Wait, Arnab, you will get the answer when I'm saying. Wait. The first point is, Modi ji never needs such kind of things, because even without the 118A or 66A, he can be so draconian. He has done it before. He is doing it. You just ask to Rajdeep Sardesai or talk to Karan Thapar. You will get everything.
I am asking you.
We have listened to it many times.
Lal,
so
Lal,
there
listen.
is no need
Lal,
for Modi
listen.
ji to act upon such things.
Lal, listen.
Arnab will be
Who
free
brought
to
in
do so. You may not be
66A,
able to do it in
UPA?
Maharashtra,
Who
but
brought in
other parts of the country will be
118A?
able to do it.
Kerala
But the
left
fact of the
government.
matter is that
So
Modi
point is
doesn't
that
need
you
all
are the
those
ones
things.
bringing the
That's the
draconian
reality.
laws.
You don't need
When I
118A
tell you
Modi
that you
ji.
are the most
So
intolerant,
if
you don't seem to accept it at face value. Why? Why can't you accept that the draconian law has been brought in by your government?
First of all, you should accept the fact that it has been withdrawn. The Honorable Chief Minister of the State has already clearly explained that he is not going to impose it. He is going to withdraw. And the Central Committee of the CPIM has taken a clear stand.
He is going to withdraw. It's an no. What was the intent behind bringing it?
The problem is
Lal, I ask you this. Lal, I want to debate with you. Lal, 1 minute. You should be willing to debate with me. Lal, I'm challenging you. Lal, I'm asking you. Lal, I'm asking you. I'm requesting you. Listen to my counter.
It is not happening because it is
Lal, listen to my counter.
That you are not.
Lal, listen to my counter. Lal, listen to my counter. Lal, listen to my counter, man. Why don't you listen to me?
I'm listening, man.
My question is to Lal.
I'm
Lal, listen to me.
Unlike you, I'm
Do I have
patient,
anything personal against you? No. Do you have anything personal against me? No. We don't have anything personal with each other, my friend. We are debating an issue. Come on. Like two people one-on-one, let's agree to disagree. I ask you a counter today, Lal. You say to me, the murderer went into murder, picked up the knife, picked up the knife, was about to carry out the murder, was caught red-handed by the neighbor, took the knife, put it in the bag and went away. Hence, forgive the murderer. I ask you tonight, why did the murderer want to commit the murder? What was the intent?
First of all, let me tell you.
Therefore, I ask you today, Lal, one-on-one, individual to individual, let me complete my question. Let me complete my question. The people of India are asking you today, Lal, what was the intent of 118A?
It is you asking. It is you
what
asking,
was the
not the
intent and the timing? Why?
No. You are not just a representative
People of India are asking.
India. I'm not going to take you as
the people of India. You want me to open the phone lines?
You are just a citizen. You can ask
everybody across India is asking. Why did you want to bring 118? Every whole country is asking. The whole country, Srijit, the whole country is asking. Why did you bring 118?
No, I'm not going to agree to that.
Srijit is debating now with Lal.
You can ask genuine questions to me. I may be able to answer it. The thing is, I told you before, there is a serious problem for the draft.
That it has invalidated the law, which is controversial, whereas the reality is that the law is still live.
Clear stand
we are
on it.
Necessarily, we are talking about an ordinance
will not go. That is the decision being taken.
As a law and
you should accept that.
Through the Kerala
Why don't you accept that point?
And now that cannot be repealed by a statement or a Facebook post of the Chief Minister. There is a procedure that is laid out in the rules of business.
That procedure will be duly followed, Srijit. Don't worry about it.
That
procedure will be duly followed. You should not worry about it. I am guaranteeing you that state government will ensure that it will be.
And the second point, Arnab, you mentioned about the hypocrisy of the party. Let me expose that hypocrisy tonight. The thing is that this is even more draconian, even more anti-national, even more unconstitutional, and even more anti-democratic. Basically because this actually combines elements from the now defunct 66A and also the 118D, and it combines both of them into a law and makes it cognizable. So what is cognizable? Even if there is no complainant, the police can take a case on its own. And against who? It says against someone who is actually defaming or humiliating a person or class of persons. Now what is class of persons? It is not defined anywhere. So it is arbitrarily decided by a police officer.
It's a complicated issue. Let me be very clear that there are problems for the draft. That will be withdrawn. That is clear.
Persons who are following the communist ideology, then any person who is actually criticizing the CPM goes to jail. He is booked. He is arrested. Is this the law? Is this what is guaranteed by the Constitution under Article 91A?
You have been criticizing the
It's all right, we can.
Let me tell Lal, before the Lok Sabha polls, the CPM had come up with an election manifesto In the manifesto, they had claimed that they would repeal the criminal defamation suit, the criminal defamation section, and also the sedition section. So what it has done now is it has revived two defunct laws and made a constitutional, non-constitutional, unconstitutional law, which is even more dangerous to the society. And this is actually giving the powers to the police to take slow motor action.
I would agree
and
to your
for
point.
the fact, for the simple fact that the police always is controlled by the state government, this is actually something which will, the state will use to slaughter all the in the state.
You see, Lal and Srijit, Lal Kumar and Srijit, Lal Kumar and Srijit, Lal Kumar and Srijit, Lal Kumar and Srijit, may I intervene with a small point tonight? Srijit, if I may.
It is not doing that. So this is
yes, Srijit and Lal, you are both good debaters. You're both
hypocrisy on three different
You are both good debaters. You're both good debaters. You represent two sides of the political spectrum in the great state of Kerala. I appreciate the quality of the debate which both of you are bringing, but I need to tell you one thing, Lal. Muralidharan is there tonight and Sunit Chopra is there. Lal and Srijit, I am, and my network today is a living symbol. I repeat, me personally and my network is a living symbol today that if you criticize on specific points the state government where you reside, they can bring in any charge, including closed cases against you in any context and pick you up, arrest you. The process of investigation continues. You can keep seeking bail. You will be put in custody. You will be moved from one jail to the other. The persecution will continue. The whole idea will be to teach you a lesson. Now, my point here is this. We need to protect free speech. We need to protect journalists from the right of free speech. And Sunit Chopra, if I may, sir, I'm addressing you, not your lookalike behind you. My question is, and may I say, Sunit Chopra, that's Sunit Chopra, sir, on a lighter note, whenever I see that bust behind you, which is mistaken for Karl Marx, I keep asking myself, who's better looking, the person or his bust behind him? So I've given you a compliment, though I know my flattery will take me nowhere. My question here is this, Sunit Chopra, my question is on a fundamental issue of intent.
Arnav, I'm also there in the debate.
Tell Mr. Muralidharan, what is the intent of...
I'm also going to...
I know, sir, but you don't have a bust so behind you, so you are not qualified. No, 1 minute. Anand, I'm coming in. I'm coming in, sir. I am coming in.
Clear.
Sunit Chopra, what is the intent of 118A? An ex-principal secretary is arrested in the gold smuggling scam, right? Secondly, the KFON scam is under the scanner.
Not at all.
Infrastructure board is under the scanner for FEMA violations.
Where women were actually
Binesh Kodieri,
and the women
former CPM secretary Kodieri Balakrishnan's son Binesh Kodieri is arrested for peddling drugs in Bengaluru. There are statewide protests against the government. My view is that 118A, Muralidharan has been brought in to silence the protest, to silence the media, to silence free speech. You can't gag India, you can't gag Kerala. Muralidharan is on the debate with Sunit Chopra.
118 is nothing but changing a democratic state like Kerala into a Chinese state, which is essentially a communist state. Now, look at this state. I want to give you a bird's eye view of this state and what's happening. Okay, there's a rising, extremely rising concern about women and crime against women and children. It is being overlooked. There are, pedophilia, rape, and FCRA violation in minority institutions which are overlooked. Jihad, love jihad, and ISI's activities overlooked. Then look at CMO associated gold smuggling, overlooked. Disrespect for people's sentiments, starting with Sabarimala, overlooked. Elephants and dog killings, overlooked. No kukuli. It's another commie nonsense. When you want to chop few trees in your house, when you start chopping them, there are few communists who will come and stand and watch. Later on, they'll say, you have done my job, give me the money. That's called no kukuli. Then the COVID drama. I'm sure nobody's forgotten that. The amount of, the Dadagiri they did with COVID, saying that we have overcome that, we did so well, the Lutyens media, the communist media, they upheld everything and they said, this is a fantastic state, this is an intellectual state, the highly educated, all bullshit. It's absolute bullshit. And look at the political rivalry killings. Every second day, somebody is killed. This is not a goon state.
Nishant on the right.
Ghost state, which is absolutely going rogue right now. They want to dissent and they want to muzzle everybody. They don't want to listen to people. I am just hoping
COVID
that
drama.
2021
Thank you for bringing the COVID drama. If Kerala did COVID drama, the biggest drama one is Narendra Modi. The entire country has been shamed by this drama. Number one. Number two, what kind of a nonsense are you talking about equating China and Kerala? Arey, it is Mr. Modi who loves China and you have the to go and talk about China and Kerala. Dear sir, what you need to understand is that your brain...
Forget, my friend, when you can't tolerate your people dissenting, then what can you expect?
Of Mr. Modi.
You talk about intolerance of Modi government. What are you trying to do? You are trying to convert Kerala into a Chinese state.
And
is that what you are trying to do?
What are you even talking? You don't even know.
How many rivalries?
The thing is, the irony is,
Mr. Nishant,
Anand, the irony is that Nishant can come on my program. No, 1 second. The irony is Anand Ranganathan.
You don't have the time.
Anand Ranganathan, the irony is that Nishant can come on my program and say what he wants to about Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Uttar Pradesh.
I would like to see whether he with 118A would be able to speak anything against Pinarayi Vijayan
Amendment. And you have
or even a Kodiyari Balakrishnan in Kerala. Nishant, why don't you speak against... No. I would like to see... I'll tell you one thing. Anand, Nishant should come to Mumbai, say one line critical of Uddhav Thackeray and let's see which section is used against him. Maybe it will be the Disaffection Act of the police. He should experience that.
You forgot
People like Nishant should experience that. People like Nishant should experience that, Anand.
You should come to Lucknow.
And they are the ones who talk about free speech. Absolute hypocrites.
Yes.
Absolute hypocrites. Anand is on the debate. Anand.
Every day.
Of course they are.
Anand.
You don't have the time to
yes.
talk about
And now Nishant, please.
Anand.
I've been waiting for 40 minutes. Come on. Arnab, first of all, I'm not trying to be patronizing.
Come on now, Nishant. Come on now.
You would admit a touch embarrassing to even counter these communists. They are as far removed from logic as Delhi is from Timbuktu. Look at what I'll just go one by one. All these communists on your panel. एक तो पता नहीं कहाँ से conveyor belt है कि ये communist आ जाते हैं और फिर इनको counter करना पड़ता है. It's embarrassing. One of them is saying that it is exemplary that Pinarayi Vijayan has taken back this draconian act. It is like saying that if Indira Gandhi chose to hold elections after emergency, she did an exemplary.
Lal Kumar is on the way. Lal Kumar said that.
अब ये एक और communist शुरू हो गया.
You could not counter essentially.
अरे भाई नहीं होगा मुझसे. Arnab.
Come on.
Arey bhaiya, because
continue unimpeded. Come on now, Anand.
Only half the people in JNU are hooligans.
You do it very often.
And that is the reason why you cannot be countered.
BJP is not getting a single seat here. You know why BJP is not getting a single seat? Because in North India, what you do is every day you make curtailing statements about the state, demeaning us.
I thought I was supposed to say something. I did not even get 20 seconds.
Only because of this.
These communists are like flies.
It is not fruitfully coming out. It is because of that. First of all, you people should rectify your mistake.
Okay, Lal Kumar, I tell you one thing, Lal. Lal, listen. Lal, listen. Lal, who is you people? Lal, listen. Who is you people? Lal, listen to me. Lal, listen to me. Lal, listen to me. Let us have a proper debate. You can debate with Anand Ranganathan. Both of you can debate. I gave you a compliment a while back. I said you are debating well, but then you misunderstood me. Anand, Lal, the first principle of being a good debater is that for God's sake, you've got to listen to the other side. So Lal, Anand will debate with you, but listen and debate and listen. Listen and debate and debate and listen.
Arnab,
right? Don't behave like Nishant.
I've been debating for many years. I know how to debate. The problem is...
Listen and reply and listen.
The problem is, I will not accept a demeaning statement.
You will counter after he finishes. Is that all right?
The statement
Okay, so you will counter after he finishes. That's fair, right?
Because of the
you
communist
will
states,
counter after he finishes, Lal. Now, come on, Lal.
You are not going to acknowledge
Lal,
that.
now my question is, I think you should show the courage to listen to Anand's argument.
अर्नब जिसका नाम
Now
ही
you
लाल
listen
हो,
to Anand
वो
Lal.
कम्युनिस्ट ही होगा और क्या होगा?
Listen and counter.
Please be quiet,
What is
यार.
his
लाल
argument?
हो,
Every
whatever
day
your
he
name
speaks
is.
about the communist state is a
एक
bad
तो
state.
मुझे समझ में नहीं आता.
What is
इन
this
लोगों में
argument?
झूठ बोलने
He will
का
say
इतना
that the communist
confidence
state
कहाँ से
is
आता है?
spoiled the state.
How come these guys are so confident? They are
English,
full of hot
English.
air. ये कौन से दास कपिताल में लिखा हुआ है कि ऐसे
Why are
confidence?
you people not getting a seat
Please
here?
be
If
quiet,
you are right-
Arnab. You
if
know
you
this
are
is
right,
intolerable.
why are
यार,
you
they're not
getting
even
a
giving me
single
10
seat?
seconds.
Tell me that.
Even in People's Court,
Why
one
a
gets
single
10
seat?
seconds.
Why are you not getting a single seat? You are not getting
These
it because
communists
people are
have
not listening to you, my dear.
erupted like a
People are not
rash.
listening to you. Because in the national
Yeah,
debate,
because
come
you
and
have
speak
your
everything.
ears
This
closed
was
and your
this
brain,
was a
well,
fruitful affair
absent.
for you in the north.
Have
But
the
this is
courage
not
to
going
listen
work
to
here.
truth and facts.
This is not going to work here.
Jesus.
That is exactly happening.
Arnab, this is a lost
speak about
cause,
a single
honestly.
seat you have?
When even Nota
Can
gets
you
more
speak about
votes
a
than
single
these
seat you have?
dumplings, what do you
speak,
expect?
We don't mind. We don't mind.
Arre,
But
will
the
you
problem is
please
the
listen?
People, the people of
Oh
Kerala
my
are
God,
listening
the confidence
to us.
of
They
this
are
trickster.
listening to us. That's why they are voting for us.
If
People
there
of
is one
Kerala
thing
are
that
not
is to be
voting for
learned
us.
from these
Why?
communists,
Why people
No,
of
no, no.
Kerala
Anand,
are not
Anand
full of
should
hot
be-
air? If you are right.
you might not have a single...
I ask you, Lal, Lal, come on now, Lal. Now listen, Lal. Now listen, Lal, I am now... Listen, one minute. I am coming in between both of you. Anand, I'll tell you one thing. You make your point. I raise my question. You make your point, and then Lal responds, and we carry on now. And my point tonight, Lal, no, please put your finger down. Please put your finger down. Lal, please, you are now interrupting. Lal, you be quiet now. My question is, how is 66A any different? How is 118A any different from 66A law that was struck off? That is the question. Anand will make his point now. Thank you, Anand.
To use this platform.
Anand and Kevin Matthew, we're moving on.
Every time
Yes,
I'm going
Arnab,
to
and
counter
it
that.
goes-
I'm going to
it-
speak again.
Nobody
It
is
goes-
demeaning the great
I will
state of Kerala,
loudly
please.
speak against it. I cannot accept this. What is this?
Arre yaar, whatever your name is, you speak
I am
against
telling you
me,
here
let me
now,
speak first.
nobody is demeaning the great state of
This guy
Kerala.
is just
The
intolerable.
question is about 118A.
But he did not speak about that, isn't
Thank
it?
you.
Did he speak about 118? He was
Arnab,
speaking about
you
the
know-
communist state. No, if you speak about an ideology, make a different debate. I'll come
Oh, for
it.
heaven's sake,
I'll come
be
for it.
quiet.
Different debate.
Go to your people's court and shout. Have some common sense. This is not a people's court.
My dear,
I'm not a
people of-
communist.
people of Kerala are
Behave
not
yourself.
listening to your
now
ideology.
quiet.
Simple.
Arnab, as
People
I was
of Kerala are
saying,
not listening
it
to your
goes
ideology.
with the territory
Simple.
of
You-
what
Thank you. Anand is debating right now with
and
Kevin
what
Matthew on the right,
communism
please.
is. Do you
Anand.
know?
Why people are not listening?
Oh,
you
dear.
think about that.
Have I? Arnab, look at this guy. Now, I have no option but to continue. I hope you fade him out a little. Maybe not completely, because I like the buzzing sound. You know.
Continue.
Now, this goes completely in the territory of what communists are made of. These are draconian acts that have been passed by people who love dictatorships. Their mentor is Goebbels, who said, accuse others of what you are doing yourself. Now, even without 1118A, did you know that for the last 1 year, 119 people in Kerala have been booked for insulting the Chief Minister? This was told on the floor of Kerala Assembly. Do you know the High Court Judge Shamsuddin said that the SFI or the Communist Youth Wing Party has installed torture chambers in colleges? Did you know that CPIM was the only party in the world that publicly hailed the Tiananmen Square massacre?
This is exactly why we probably need 118A. This is exactly why we probably need 118A. Because people like this.
Their territory is China.
Sir,
their
sir,
territory
you
is
are
Korea.
exactly why, you are the reason why we need 118A. Sir, let me tell you this today. It is completely unbecoming of you. It is very sad that you're doing this today on national television. And Arnab, it is very sad that you're giving him a platform to do this.
Their only
are you
claim
listening to
fame
me? Are you
is
listening, Arnab?
murdering people and
Or
the
have you
great
got-
leap forward. They are Mao's
Kevin.
disciples
who came
Kevin,
60
Kevin, I want to make a
people.
point to you.
Sir, this is
Anand and Kevin, may I come in between the debate? Thank you very much for allowing me. Kevin, we must, 1 minute. I need to come in now. Anand, you'll have to stop. Anand, you'll have to stop. I'll tell you one thing. I want to tell you one thing. Kevin, listen to me. Today, in a mature democracy, your responsibility as much as mine to ensure that we don't play the regional card or the language card to justify what is wrong. Now let me explain to you what I mean, and my friend Savio is on the debate. He'll debate with
or language. Let me
Something is wrong in Kerala.
Arnab,
1 minute, sir. Now, Kevin, I have to complete my sentence and you put your finger down because I'm going to complete my sentence and you listen to me. You listen to me now. If something is wrong, it's wrong in Maharashtra, it's wrong in Assam, it's wrong in Kerala. It does not mean, what I mean by that is, 118A is has draconian provisions like 66A. 66A of the Information Technology Act would have completely punished people for having an opinion. The proposed section 118A of the Kerala Police Act reeks of the same agenda. So don't play a state card with me. If it was to be implemented in Goa, my friend Savio would have opposed it.
Sir, I am not playing a
If it was to be implemented in my home state of Assam, I would have opposed it. It does not matter. We can't say that what is bad in law can be justified by playing a regional card. Am I right, Savio? I mean, I think that is the point we need to argue right now.
Kevin, you're not answering.
And Kevin, you need to understand it.
You see, Kevin, you're not answering the question.
Arnab, let me
Kevin,
answer you. Arnab,
all I'm
let me
asking
answer
you
you
is, with a draconian law such as this, what
Sir.
is the right of the citizen? Can it not be misused by any government, Kevin? That's what I'm arriving at. I agreed that the principles for what brought the law that the governor spoke about was right. But cannot a law as
Sir, let me
draconian as the
speak, please. If you want my answer, let me speak. Sir, if you want my answer, let me speak. Listen to me.
Can it? You're not answering. Can it be misused?
Listen to me, yaar.
Yes or no?
So let me answer. You listen. You stop talking and you listen.
Yes or
then I'll
no,
answer.
Kevin?
See, first thing.
Can it be misused? Yes
Oh my
or
God,
no?
please.
First thing, let me
Stop
answer.
screaming. It's
The
all right. You don't have to
That's not it cannot be misused
Yes or no?
because it has been rolled back. Sir, it cannot be misused.
Why cannot
it
be
cannot
misused?
be misused for
Why
two
it
reasons.
cannot be misused?
First
Tell
thing,
me, right?
there is. Sir, let me explain that. Let me explain that. You listen to me. First thing, in between all this, there is a layer of judiciary involved. That's the first thing. Now, second thing, even above that, this law has been rolled back. So that has been rolled back. That's a different topic altogether.
And now,
third point, Arnab. Third point, Arnab. Let me speak.
That's the first
Sir,
step.
let me speak. Sir, let me speak. Sir, let me
That's
speak.
the first step when
Sir,
they get
let me
arrested
speak.
because of a law.
Third point, this is to you, Arnab.
judiciary is the second
Sir, let me
step.
speak.
Okay,
sir,
stop.
for Shak's sake. Sir,
Okay, Srijit Panikar is back on the debate right now with
Let me
Kevin, please.
speak, let me
Savio,
speak.
give way to Srijit Panikar, please. Srijit wants to also respond to Kevin.
Kevin is misrepresenting facts. There is
Srijit
no
Panikar
direct
responding
involvement
to
of
Kevin
judiciary.
tonight.
Please.
Yeah, Arnab, Kevin is misrepresenting facts. There is no direct intervention of judiciary in this until a particular point. That is why I said this law is actually cognizable. The offense becomes cognizable.
Sir,
Therefore,
what is
even
that
without a
particular
complainant, the
point?
police
Sir,
can take case. The
Srijit,
police can
what is
arrest
that particular
somebody.
point?
That is the problem with it. And then
The
you have to
police
go
can
to a
take
court.
case.
And
The police can
then
take
you have
case.
to
But
prove
to
that it
send
was
somebody to the jail, the
unintentional,
court has
that
to-
you did not intend malice. Isn't this against the right to speech that is guaranteed by the Article 19.1A? Absolutely. The problem here is that as long as the police is always controlled by the state government, the state government can actually book any people who are actually raising voice against its own leaders and even party as a whole, because there is a categorization that a class of people. So if a police officer
Sir, you
defines
need laws.
CPM as a class of people who follow communism,
Srijit.
any criticism on
Srijit.
CPM, you are booked, you are jailed, you are arrested. And then
On the debate tonight, I'm going back right now to Tom Varakan.
because it is cognizable.
Tom Varakan and Nishant are on the debate.
Representing facts.
Tom
Now, the
and
problem
Nishant,
here is
closing
that there are
minutes
a
of the
lot
debate
issues.
tonight. My question is, before 2014 it was projected that Narendra Modi will be intolerant. Today it appears to me that Narendra Modi is the most tolerant of criticism, but state governments have very thin skin. Tom is on the debate. Tom.
I have two interventions to make, and this is the ordinance was to protect women and child. That was the perception that they created. Now, the question is, there is a case that was on Walayar. 3 years, the case and counting. No justice has been done. These are minor girls who committed suicide. What kind of protection are we? And they are Harijans. What kind of protection are we talking about? Number one. Number two, I was on a debate with a gentleman from the left, Narottam Pal. And incidentally, he brought it to my knowledge. I was very impressed with that there is a Gazette notification which has been done. So the law is not rolled back as such. It is the property of the House. So let me put that on record.
No, it's not rolled back.
It's not rolled back.
You are correct.
It's a property of the House. So this whole humbug that it's been rolled back is absolute nonsense. And it comes from nobody else but a former member of parliament. And he said this on Doordarshan.
Stop your nonsensical stories and rantings.
This is not nonsensical story. I'm not cooking up. This is the reality.
Which nobody believes.
It has been invalidated.
You and your stories.
CPM,
shut up.
CPM, Doordarshan, 9 o'clock
You are giving this
today.
nation love jihad.
Well, don't make hashtags criminal.
You can hallucinate.
Don't make opinions unlawful.
Love jihad is what you're
Don't misuse the legal process to silence those who criticize. Don't intimidate people over the simple points of criticism of state governments. And viewers, I shall come back to this debate. I thank you all. I thank Tom, Srijit, Anand, Savio, Muralidharan, Lal, Sunit Chopra, Vivek, Nishant and Kevin Matthew with a promise to be back tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Till then, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Good night and goodbye.